They say revolutionary tactics are not discussed in public, and things, official secrets are not also revealed in public. I can tell you that all the sectors that have been asked to handle are handling them creditably well, and I even have commendation from my governor for handling those sectors very well. And I can tell you that the Obaseki administration, in terms of Edo Best, we did very well in Edo Best. We did very well in some sector. It's not totally, it's not bad, but we did well in some sector. And those sectors that we did well are sectors that I know what to do if I become the governor of Edo State. And the sector that are still struggling, I know why they are struggling, and I know how to make them work. That's why I'm saying that experience is what I'm bringing on board. I understand why certain things are working well. I understand why certain things are moving slowly. And when I talk about practical governance, I mean practical governance. I have shown it as a member of Edo State Assembly. I showed it as a member of the National Assembly. As president of NANS, even when I do not have a budget provision, I don't have financial provision. As president of NANS in this country, I got multinationals to do projects in our various campuses. I got multinationals to build hostels in University of Jos, in Ife. I got multinationals to build villages, regulations villages across all institutions in this country. I am a project-driven person. My quest to be in politics is to bring on board my thoughts of an egalitarian society where wealth are redistributed. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. To be the governor to do this, there's the distance between the governor and deputy governor is like Sokoto to Port Harcourt. The thing ends on the desk of the governor. And so the achievement ends on the desk of the governor, or just like it ends at the desk of the president. The constitution is skewed to a level that it's joint ticket, it's true, but it's joint ticket to the extent that it's the administration of the number one. So it is President Tinubu administration that we are in now. We just finished Buhari administration. We are in Governor Obaseki administration now. So I would not be a governor that takes pride in seeing an administration as mine. Administration is collective, it's ours. And I'm not going to be a governor that will not work with my deputy. A deputy governor is as qualified as the governor. And that is why if the deputy governor has issues, the governor is disqualified. If the governor has issues, the deputy governor is also disqualified. The ticket of the governor and deputy is one, and the qualification is same. And that is why we should stop the emphasizing the role of deputy governor, because it's a potential governor, and that is what the constitution and the drafter of the constitution meant by saying you must have the qualification of the governor and the deputy must be same.
Okay, Callistus, after Callistus.